Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So friends, today in this video is specifically created for the Mdcat aspirants that are going for registration 2024. So in this video we will show you how you can apply for the Mdcat 2024. So this is the official website of Pakistan Medical and Dental Council, and here you can see the notification. Here you can see the schedule of Mdcat, its entry, choices of local centers and pattern of Mdcat, as well as the syllabus will also you can find here. So let's start the video. So this is the official website of Pakistan Medical Dental Council. You will search pmdc.pk and here is exams online. So you can click here. Okay, after clicking that, here you can see two options: first login and then register. So if you have not applied, so then click on this register button. Okay, so after clicking on register, here you can see a form, so you have to fill it. So your account will be created. First of all, you have to put your name, then you have to put your father name, then you have to select your identification document, or CNAC, foreign passport, whatever. So you have to select it. Like I have select CNAC, then put your CNIC number, then what is your issue date of your CNIC, then you have to put your contact information, and you have to select all options like gender, date of birth, email address, and a strong password. Finally, you have to add this and click on sign up, so your account will be created. So when your account is created, then click on this login button. Now put your same email and the password and click on login. Okay friends, so after login, the above information is the same which you provide in the account, and this is new information like residence. You have to select your domicile, then what is your preferred university and where you can going for the test, and then your degree type like FAC, A level. Then put your obtained marks, and here you can upload your picture and your mark sheet, and then click on submit application. So your application will be submitted. So these are the different universities which you have to select it, like CAMU, Sundown University, same as International Zulfiqar Level 2, and these are the different centers which you have to select it, like Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab University of Health Sciences. Now you have to put your FSC or A level. So after submission of your application, then here you will see a bank challan form. So you have to download that challan form and deposit in the required bank, or which bank they ask. So please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.